How to fix flipped or mirrored virtual background in Microsoft Teams. So here I am in the Microsoft Teams application. So from here, if you want to fix your flipped or mirrored virtual background, you can go to the settings first, click on settings, and then from here, click on devices, and then scroll down until you see your video settings. So right now I'm using a virtual background right here. So now you can see this virtual background. And then from here I can scroll down. Then there will be this option right here that says mirror my video. So if I click mirror my video, as you can see right here, it will now also mirror the virtual background that I'm using. So just make sure that this is turned off if you want to fix your mirrored or flipped virtual background. So it depends on the orientation that you want to use in your background. So it's either you turn this on or turn this off. So it depends on your preferences. And then you can also edit this when you are already inside of the meeting as well. So let's say I go back right here. Let me go to the calendar and then start an instant meeting. From here, I can click start meeting, click join now, and then I should also have my virtual background right here. Then if I want to change the virtual background, I can just go ahead and see more backgrounds right here. So let me click more video effects and settings. From here, I can choose different backgrounds that I want to use. So let's say this one in the zone. I can click on preview, then I can see it right here. And then I can go to the settings, and then I can also just turn on or turn off the mirror my video. And then when I do that, now as you can see, the virtual background is changing its orientation as well. So you can just either turn this on or turn this off, the mirror my video feature, so that you can use your preferred orientation when having your virtual backgrounds. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can fix the flipped or mirrored virtual background in Microsoft Teams. So I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.